Hello, Rockstars. Uh, how are you all?
Hello, coach. Great.
Hello,
How are you?
coach.
Yeah, I'm fine, and it's going to be exciting today. Even like, I want to ask you one question before we proceed. That how was the bus
Yeah.
moment? Like the last day we had. So what do you learn from the bus moment?
Buzz moment was really good. I just I just thought, okay, yes, I should start singing. That is something really favorite of mine. And I did it. I was able to achieve it even today. Morning, 10 minutes, I gave myself a time and started singing the old number. It was really good. The buzz moment just, I think it gives us a lot of energy.
Enjoyment, energy, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay,
Ah, yes, Pradeep, right.
Yes,
okay. So today is like it's also like it's something of the sort, and it's about the mastermind group. Okay, so let's start from
yes.
page 108.
Hmm.
Mm.
So I want Miss Alka ji to read it out. Miss Alka, can you read page number 108?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So your mastermind group.
Yeah. So, yeah. Having great people around you can greatly help you not only stay committed to your quest, but enjoy the ride all the more. Your incredible you coach will introduce you to other people on the program. So you have support. They will make you laugh, challenge you, and help you change your thoughts to keep you going. You will need a dose of unconditional love, cheering on, being appreciated or understood. This support comes from friends, family, peers, mentors, and the incredible you participants who should be in your life to help you live your purpose and ultimately become an even better version of you.
Oh, thank you, Miss Alka.
Yeah, the classification. Okay.
So let's move on. Like the classifications are the friends, like the people who you choose to hang out with for fun. Family, people who have a blood or legal relation. You have a legal relation to. Peers, people, people you work uh, with, with at a professional level, and the coach and the incredible you members, people who have some characteristics that you want to develop. So note some people might fall under more than one category, and this is totally fine. Okay, so let's move on to the next page. My mastermind
Yeah.
circle. It's page 110. Okay, fine. Yeah,
Okay.
sure. So about the activity, by answering some questions, by answering some of the questions, you will come to know how much value their current group is adding is adding to their life when and what they can do to change it if there's no value being added. Outcome. Purpose of this activity is for you to identify who you spend your time with and make that time be spent with people who actually add value to your life. Okay, fine. So there are step by step instructions. So is there any problem like is it all clear,
No,
or should I?
it's
Yes.
clear. It's
It's
clear.
clear,
Okay,
very much clear.
okay. So so step by step instructions I would like to give you. The first step, you have to answer a set of questions about important people from your life and who you spend your time with. Second step, you have to answer a set of questions, identify those who do not add value to your life, but they'll still be part of your life. So let's begin. Okay.
Yeah.
Step one. Let's move on to page 111. Step so step one, your current network. Below are a few
Yes.
questions to help you get your head around the most important people in your life and who you currently spend your time with. Number one. The first question is to Miss Alka. Miss Alka, I would like to ask you. I would like to start with you. Okay. So who makes you laugh?
Yeah.
My first question.
My kids and husband and my working friends. They
Okay.
make me laugh.
Who makes you think differently?
I myself actually many times, and even my brother.
Okay. Who challenges you?
My mom and I myself challenge myself,
Ins-
and my mom also do that. Yeah.
Okay. Next question. Who inspires you?
My dad's sister. She is at 70, but she is just amazing. She inspires me. And my father-in-law and Priyanka Chopra.
Great.
They inspire me.
Who is in your support team and how do they help you learn, grow, and reach your dreams? The fifth.
For now I have my friends, my mastermind friends,
Okay.
then my family, and my family. They even when there are two, three friends of mine, they always encourage me and they support me. If I need any help from them, and even my family that they let me spend time on my dreams. So that way they all support me. Yes.
Okay. The next question. Who would you ideally like to add to your mastermind group?
I would like to add Amitabh Bachchan. I
Yeah,
just like his writings, and I like his the way he sees the life. It's beautiful. Yeah. Yes.
Okay. How much time do you currently spend with people in your mastermind group?
At present, I'm spending 1 hour
Okay.
every day.
Okay.
That is the time I spend.
How do you, who do you know who spend most of the conversation being negative about something or complaining?
I don't know. No one. No one at present.
Okay. 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 So, so who else are you tolerating?
No one.
That's really great.
Yeah.
Okay. How much time do you currently spend each week with people with people you tolerate who don't add value into your life?
Well, I don't tolerate anyone, but yes, who don't add value to your life. Maybe some people may come across who don't add, and I need to be there at present. So hardly in a month, an hour, not much. I don't have such people around me.
Okay. Okay. The last question I would come to you. What can I do to spend more time with people? What can you do to spend more time with people who support you, nurture you, and add
Uh,
value to your life?
Add value, yes.
Yeah.
I can meet them frequently. I can call them. I can arrange for Zoom meets, and maybe I can join an organization, we together. So something like that I can do. Yes, the meeting of plans.
Okay. Thank you, Miss
That,
Alka. That was a great one.
thank
Talking
you.
to you. Nice one. So I would like.
Yeah, yeah.
So I would like.
Even I enjoyed doing this activity.
Okay. Okay. So I'd like to go with Mr. Pradeep. Mr. Pradeep, so what do you learn?
yes,
So what do you learn? What did you learn from this activity?
yes. I learned that who are the people who can inspire you, who are the people who are dragging your feet. So it
Okay.
should be more clarity has come from like by knowing a company. There is a proverb that is told that man is known by the company he keeps. So you yes, though this
Wow. Wow.
naturally you have to choose the people who are helpful to you, who are supporting you, and they get rid of those people who are just pulling you.
Sure.
So
Sure.
that I done.
I
That
agree.
is
I agree completely. I agree
this
completely.
is
Let's move on to page 112. It's like step. No, sorry. Once again.
no. I think 113.
No, it's 112. The toxic step two.
Okay,
Toxic question.
okay.
Yeah.
Yes, toxic, toxic.
So I would like. So I would like Miss Alka to read it, please.
Yeah. So the step two, the toxic questions. The people you choose to spend your time with should be inspiring, positive, and honest in their opinions. People pleasers are toxic. If someone you hang out with doesn't currently bring any value to your life and you want to do something about it, then answer the 7 toxic identifier questions listed on the following pages. Please answer all 7 questions for each person you give your time to and who does not add value into your life. I have provided 3 sets. You can repeat the sets for more people. Yeah.
Okay, so there are some of the questions that I would like to ask. So I'd like to go with Mr. Pradeep. So Mr. Pradeep, let's
Yes,
come
please.
to page 113.
Right.
So, so what am, so, what, so, so answer the first question. So answer the first question. What am I gaining by spending my limited precious time with this person? I mean the toxic.
Yes,
I mean the toxic one. You remember? Yeah.
right. So I have
What
chosen
are
one
you?
of my relative. I have
Okay.
one of my relative then related to this question. So first question is, what am I gaining by spending my limited precious time with that person?
Yeah.
I'm gaining nothing,
Okay.
nothing at all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Second question is what are you losing by spending your limited precious time with this person?
Yes, it is a very relevant question. I lose my peace of mind. There's some negativity comes within me. Yes.
Okay. Third
Mm.
question I would like to ask you: what would happen if you didn't spend your precious time with them?
I remain in much happy and have a soulless peace of mind.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Right.
I'd like to go with the next one. So what are you going to do differently about how you spend your time with this person?
I will engage myself in other activities so that I can get rid of that person. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So thank you, thank you, Mr. Pradeep. A huge round of applause for you both.
Welcome, welcome. Yes.
Okay. I don't see the enthusiasm. I don't see the enthusiasm. I don't see the enthu guys. Come on.
Into
Yeah.
what? Let us
Yeah,
have an into.
enthusiasm. You should
Yes.
have the enthusiasm to clap. This is about you,
Clap
right?
loudly. Who is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do it with full enthusiasm.
Well done, well
Come on.
done. Have a pat,
That's
have a
right.
pat on the
Wow.
back.
Yeah.
Yes, right. Yes, well done.
It's about you. So I will go. So I will like to continue with Miss Alka. Miss Alka. So what did you learn from this activity?
Oh, I learned that even people pleasers are toxic. Huh. That was a new thing I learned, and I find many people pleasers in our life actually. So I also learned that we should really be away from toxic people. They annoys you. They completely drain your energy,
Okay.
and they make us feel so powerless. Worst thing, they actually take you to the lowest state of our mind, and that itself feels so low. We are energized now with our buzz moments, and when these people interferes, it becomes so low feeling. That has
So what are you going to do about it?
what I'm going to do is I make sure that such kind of environment I don't create when such people are there around. I should be able to able to be in a state where I am calm and emotionally set up from my side. From my side, I should be strengthful. I shouldn't let those people affect my emotional well-being.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Okay, okay. I totally agree. That is great. That's a great answer.
Yeah,
Actually, I just love that answer. Okay, fine.
yeah.
So,
Thank you.
so with this, we have come to the end of the fourth week.
Okay.
Okay, so let's
Coach,
do
please
a
Yes.
ritual.
ask me also.
Huh,
Please
sure.
ask me
You can
also this
also
question.
answer. Yes,
Yes.
yeah, definitely. So, what is your takeaway?
What is my takeaway? Yes,
Yeah.
definitely. The greatest takeaway is that if you know your company, the people you are meeting are spending day-to-day time with them, and if you know really they are actually they are helping you or just damaging you. If you have the clarity of that thought, you will save your future. You will save your time. You will save your energy. So that's the takeaway. And so I came
Yeah.
to know that if I face some situation to meet to such a person, I will become more aware of myself. So I should,
Hmm.
what steps should I take? And
Yes.
basically you have to manage these things so that the person should not be get annoyed, but he should feel that, oh, he does not need me. No,
Hmm.
and I also make him realize that yes, you are no need of you. I have no time. I can't spend. I cannot share. So you'll be in safe side.
Okay, okay. So that's
It
great.
gets great lesson I've done. Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have now come to the end of the fourth week, and the next week we shall
Right.
start something different. That's obviously it's going to be interesting. Also, I sure. So let's do our ritual and
Sure.
then say
Right.
and then say goodbye.
Okay.
As usual.
I'm
Right.
counting three as
Yes.
usual. One, two, three.
Ooh,
Rock stars.
Ooh, rock
rock stars.
Yeah,
stars.
that's fine. Okay, then see you. Catch you
Bye bye.
next week.
Yes, see
Bye bye.
you, meet
Have a
you
great time.
next
Yeah.
week. Sure,
Okay.
definitely. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.